Brian back here with a bone update again here. Alright, let's zoom out on this chart. Alright, you can see I'm going to put a Fibonacci on this thing here. Okay, we're having trouble here breaking through that $1.30 area. This thing is putting up a fight, that's for sure. Alright, we pull this Fibonacci out here. Okay, this is what still gives me hope here. Alright, we still have not, we haven't touched that 702 yet. Alright, we have come up to the 618 here. Alright, we've been battling in this area here. Okay, we want to see a break of that 702, ultimately that 786 if this thing is going to go any higher, but my personal opinion is we're probably going to fall just short here and come back down and maybe consolidate here before we get the breakout here. But I still believe this thing is going to come up, at least up to this $1.60 area that we've been talking about. Okay, like I said, it's having a fight here with that $1.30. We still got that daily RSI heading up. All right, it's at a 14 and a 9. It's still bullish. All right, nothing has changed with that. The 12-hour still heading up and bullish. It's at a 65 and a 63. Let's get that fib off there. All right, so we can see this a little bit better here. All right, the 8-hour still bullish at 89 and 83. Okay, we got the 4-hour. 4 hours actually flipped bearish here. Okay, you can see here. We zoom in here on the 4-hour. We've been, but it's sucking up that candle. Most of this drop down to that $1.22. It's ate most of that back up to that $1.28. All right, so you know buyers are stepping in when it wicks down here. You're getting buyers stepping in, and I've said that $1.15. We need to hold that area. All right, now if we put a Fibonacci in here on these smaller time frames, I don't see anything really alarming here. We need to get through that 702, okay, at $1.34. We need to break the $1.30. We wicked up here to $1.34, and then it got sucked right back down there. All right, you can see them wicks up there, and the wick back down. So that $1.30 is proven to be a brutal area here. Okay, you can see when we came down through here, let me grab my pointer. When we came down through this area, okay, once we lost that $1.30, we got that one shot up through here, actually wicked up to the $1.48. Right, ever since we've been battling that $1.30. Once we got rejected here, it rolled down to $1.17. All right, we got another run up here at it, got rejected again. Okay, but still showing strength. Run back up and one more rejection here. Okay, we need to get bust through that. That's going to be, as we break through that $1.30. All right, then I believe this thing has a shot at some higher prices. But that $1.30 is a big area here, and we don't want to lose that $1.15.51. Okay, that's a very, very crucial support area for this thing. All right, we definitely want to hold that. All right, so anyway, Bitcoin, that's the one. I believe once Bitcoin does something, this is going to do something. All right, we got Bitcoin kind of just messing around in here. It started a breakout of resistance in here, and then it took it all back. All right, let me get my right chart. There we go. If I zoom in and show you this chart, because I was making a kaspa video, Bitcoin broke out, and then it took it right back in. You can see it here on the 4-hour chart. Okay, we had this breakout candle right here. All right, then if I show you the hourly, look how it just took it all right back. All right, now it looks like it's trying to get back up here. It's sucking some of that back, but the main thing is if it's going to get back through that 29,896. All right, or is it going to come up? Is it just sucking this back up, going to test this as resistance now and come back over? All right, that's the other thing that could happen here. That 29,000 $895. Bitcoin needs to get back above that. All right, so we had to break out of this resistance coming down here. Like I said, you can see on the hourly how it started to shoot up and then it sucked it all right back down in. All right, that's as far as I believe that's going to have a crucial impact on bone here. You can see on the hourly here how it's had some red action since Bitcoin has. So, but we got that 1 hour. All right, we have the 1 hour RSI heading up here. The 4 hour is coming down. 8 hour is still heading up. 12 hour still bullish, and of course our daily looks great. And the weekly is actually at the top, and we've talked about that. That can stay up there for a while, like we've shown numerous times here. The weekly was here at the top and it fired way up here. The weekly was right here at the top, and we still had higher price action. So we're still expecting this thing to push a little bit higher. I'm not expecting a breakout of this resistance anytime soon, but I am expecting a higher push in this thing. So we still have a green weekly candle on it, so we'll keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on that $1.30 area, guys. We break through that and this thing could be heading up to them at that $1.60. All right, the $1.15 is a crucial support area though. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon.